This is Yuanri from China Well. Next, I will share about the intelligent and simple 5G enterprise space station. Today, I will introduce it from four parts. And first is overview of the enterprise space station, and the mining base station, industrial base station, and the nomadic base station. First, let's take a look at the requirements of the industrial customer. Based on the large number of the 5G enterprise case, the industrial customer need enterprise network base station. First is efficiency, from ability customization, quick development, and simple to use. And the second is the cost reduction. At present, the base station of our company is mainly aimed at the enhance the customer needs of some industrial from public network. On the one hand, it can be compromised to fully match the customer's business needs and needs further efficiency. On the other hand, some of the public network base station completely industrial customers do not need to demand can be reduced the further reduced costs. Therefore, facing the requirements of the industrial customer, we have formulated the overview technique of the enterprise base station. Based on the public network base station, the enterprise base station enhance and reduce the network compatibility and the business compatibility to better match the need of the customer for cost reduction and efficiency. Next, we will describe the three enterprise base stations that we are developing. First, let's take a look at the demand and the overview plan of the mining base station. At this stage, there are four main network pain points in mines: the special environment, the performance challenges, and multi-network and high cost. In order to meet the network demand of the mining industrial, the base station of the mine add in the aspect of the safety, the positioning, and the high availability, and subtract in the aspect of the frequency band and the channel to meet the demand of a mine. So based on the above, our plan to promote the mining base station is the first stage. In 2022, we will complete the first version of the mining base station mainly for mine safety, positioning, upping, and other requirements. In the second stage, next year, we will enhance the coverage, positioning, and other compatibility of the base station. From a second version of the mining base station, the conduction stand formulation, testing, and certification in stage. Okay, at this stage, China Mobile achieved the performance of the developing of the industrial stand and the enterprise stand of the mining base station, and promote the use of mine, cooperation with the industrial or to actively promote the industrial research and development of the mining base station products. At present, we joined the industrial has promoted the 2.6 and 700 mining base station products. Okay, second, let's take a look at the demand of the overall plans of the industrial base station. At present, the industrial has the demand of the extreme performance, the flexible production and the cloud-based PLC. Therefore, we have enhanced the capability of the base station in terms of the industrial control, capability, and certainty, and the industrial application forming and the industrial base station. About the industrial base station performing plans, the first stage in 2022 is to develop the exciting software PLC function and base on the base station to achieve the version 1.0 for the industrial base station. And the second step is to enhance the error point deterministic capability. The third step is to develop the new PLC function on the base station by optimizing 5G protocol stack. This year, we use the industrial base station to complete the project to remote the frequency regularization of the air conditioner product line. Mainly to develop a PLC in the base station, control the frequency adjustment to frequency coverage through 5G. The architecture is shown at this page. It can be seen that the east-west and the south direction of the PLC has transmitted use 5G. Okay, based on the taste, facing the demand of the source band business of 20 ms, the reliability can reach the full 9, which can meet the business needs of the production line. The industrial base station have been tested for 4 hours, and the production line can no abnormality, meeting the production requirements of the production line. Finally, let's talk about the nomadic base station. The 5G service has the requirements of the quick 5G network developing and the flexible local application development. Therefore, we form a nomadic base station by enhance the ability of return and flexible movement and application integration based on the public network base station. About the industrial base station development plans in the first stage, the first version in 2022 will be formulated by supporting the flexible intelligence of the multi-station CPU return, broadband return, and lightweight integration structure, and the stand will be formulated. Next year, we will perform the second version of the nomadic base station, mainly aiding high altitude and low objective return function, supporting the instruction of the directional antennas, and supports the selection of the adapted return link. Okay, thank you for your attention. Finally, we appealed to the industry to support the above solution as soon as possible, so that 5G can adapt to industrial application as soon as possible. Okay, thank you.